hairstyle whopping, whopping. And the dress code ever shocking, shocking. Serious thing, traffic blocking. Gyal a come down in her pants and stocking. Watch our hairstyle whopping, whopping. And the dress code ever shocking, shocking. Bumbre them, like putting on the hair from you can block traffic. Every any woman out there who knows that them got it. The one them we got it here, how them a drop it. I wear something sitting for me, I out.